Hello YouTube, ChargeTech's back with another great video, and today's video is about a Microsoft Team stuck while loading on your screen or else not loading in your Windows 10, 11, Windows 8 or other operating systems. And for this video, we have 7 solutions from basic to advanced. So stay tuned and try each of the solutions. Maybe the one solution will work for you. So now let's start from solution number 1. So solution number 1 will be if Microsoft Teams is stuck on your screen, restart your computer. So a simple restart may help you to solve your Microsoft Teams stacking problem. So restart your computer and check back your Microsoft Teams. So the second solution will be compatibility checking, which is in order to check the compatibility, the first thing that we will do is click on your search icon. If you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11 or other computer, click the search icon and type team. So when you type team, you will find the team option on your computer. Then right click on it, then select open file location. Here, open file location. So after file location opened, here the Microsoft Teams shortcut you will find, then right click on it and select properties. So here under the properties you will find compatibility. So open the compatibility section and try to run the program in compatibility mode. Select this one, compatibility mode, then select the checkbox here. Run this program in compatibility mode for, you will find lists of operating system and select Windows 8. Then after, select here apply and select here OK. So after you do this, then close this one and open your Microsoft Teams. So try to open the Microsoft Teams, and if the problem is solved, well done. But if Microsoft Teams is still stacking, in my case it's solved, but in your case if it's not proceeding to the next step, then the third solution will be again go to here the search icon and type again here team and right click on it, then select here open file location. Then after the file location open, then go here Microsoft Teams, right click on it and select again properties. And after you select properties again, select here compatibility. And after you find compatibility, then the next thing that we will do is run compatibility troubleshooter. Run compatibility troubleshooter. Select run compatibility troubleshooter and it starts detecting issues. So it will give you two options. The first one, try recommended setting. So if you are going to select this one, the computer by itself try the recommended setting. So now let's select the first one. So when you select this one, it will ask you to test the program. So test compatibility testing for the program. So if you click this one, it will start testing and detecting the problem for Microsoft Teams. So select test the program and wait until it will finish testing the Microsoft Teams. And finally, it will show you what was the problem. So if you don't want to do this, then again, you can use the second one. So select run compatibility troubleshooter and you can select the second one. So select troubleshoot program. So you can select by yourself. So troubleshoot program, select this one and it will ask you what kind of problem do you experience. So the program worked in early version and this information, or the program open but does not display correctly, the program required, or if you can't see your problem, then select this one and proceed to the next. And it will ask you your operating system. So if you are using other than Windows 8 like Windows 10 or 11, just select Windows 8 and proceed to the next. Then again select here from the errors that you find here. So if you cannot see your error, then select I can find and select here next. Then it will ask you to test your program based on your recommendation, and it will process the failure of your Microsoft Teams, and finally it will show you a fixed Microsoft or maintained Microsoft Teams. So test your program and wait until it will finish. In my case, it's working, so I'm not going to use this solution. So if this solution is not working for you after you test the program, then the third solution will be allowing Microsoft Teams to your antivirus program, which is to your Windows security and firewall. So in order to add to the Windows security, then we are going to click here the search icon and type here Windows security. So after type Windows security, you will find here the Windows security icon. Then select the Windows security. So select the virus and threat protection, this one, open it, and scroll down to the bottom and find here ransomware protection, and select which is the one manage ransomware protection. So after you select that, then which is it will show you then controlled folder access. So turn on this one. So select this one, turn on, and it will ask you administrator privilege and select yes. Then click here allow an app through controlled folder access, this one. So allow an app through controlled folder access, select it and select again yes, and add an unload app. Select this one in order to add the Microsoft Teams. So add an unload app and browse all apps. So after you click this, it will actually, in my case, it directly leads me to the Microsoft Teams setup. So if you cannot find, search for where you saved your Microsoft Teams. In my case, it's my download folder. In your case, it will be on desktop or somewhere. So find your Microsoft Teams and add it to your Windows security ransomware protection. So open, and as you can see, the Microsoft Teams setup is added. And then close this one. And after you close this one, then add the Microsoft Teams again in the firewall section. So in order to add it, then select here the search icon and type here allow and here allow an app through Windows firewall. Again select this one, and after you select it, then select here change settings. Then after you change settings, then click here allow another app, and here browse on your computer. So on your browsing, click where you have your operating system. In my case, it's in local disk C. Most of the time it will be on local disk C. Then select this one, and again go to and find on your computer user. So here I found user, open the user and select your username on your computer. In my case, it's ChurchTech. So open your username, then select app data. So if you are not finding this app data, click your on File Explorer here and select over here. You will find, if you are using Windows 10, you'll find hide or unhide option. So select unhide. In my case here, I'm going to select view on Windows 11 case and select show. Show, then what? Show hidden items. It's already checked. So make sure you checked this one, this app data option. So after you get this app data, then open the app data and select here local. So after you select local, then scroll down and find for Microsoft. So here I found the Microsoft. Then open Microsoft. Then after you find Microsoft, then scroll down to the bottom and find Teams. Then after you find Teams, select here update exe and select open. As you can see here, the Microsoft Teams is added. Then select here add. So here Microsoft Teams is added. Then again allow another app. Then again click here browse and select current here under the team. Let me click back and select team and select here current. Then after you click the current, then select here teams.exe. Select this one and select open. And again here select add. So here both teams are added under the Microsoft, and select here OK. And check your Microsoft Teams stacking problem is solved or not. So if the stacking problem is not solved, then the final solution for this video will be uninstall and reinstalling your Microsoft Teams. So in order to uninstall your Microsoft Teams, you can use two ways. The first one by clicking here the control panel. Click on the control panel, open it, then select here under the program or uninstall. If you find it like this, for example, in large icons, just go here and select, make them in a category, and you will find it like this. So select here uninstall a program. So after that, you will find here, where is it? Here it is, Microsoft Teams. After you select it, you will find here uninstall. So when you select this uninstall, it will completely remove your Microsoft Teams. Or the second way will be close this one and click here the search icon and type here settings. So after you type settings here, you find the setting opened, and again go to here apps, and after you find apps, then select here apps and feature, then scroll down to the bottom part in order to find Microsoft Teams here. Microsoft Teams, here we found the Microsoft Teams. So go here and select the three dots, then select here uninstall. So after you uninstall Microsoft Teams based on either ways or the one way that you prefer, then select your browser and type in order to download back Microsoft Teams. So here Microsoft Teams open, then select the Microsoft Teams, and as you can see here, it's showing me Microsoft Teams desktop and mobile app download. Then select this one. Then it will show you download for desktop or download for mobile. So select download for desktop, and it will show you for home or small business or team for work or school. So select what you prefer and download and install it to your computer. And I hope all the solutions may help you to solve your stacking or not loading problems in Windows 10. And thank you for watching. And if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe, and give me comments on the comment section. Thank you for watching for today. Just